and the view, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Hey, hello everyone, what's up? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back. This is a new day and new vlog. So we are officially starting a trip. This is a pretty big trip. So we are heading towards Delhi. First stop is near Delhi, and then from there we'll talk about the rest of the itinerary. So yeah, for now my friends are coming to pick me up. So I'm just waiting for them. Finally we reached the railway station, and this is Yeshwanthpur railway station, and I'm finally in my place. As of now, there is nobody. There is another 1 hour the train to start. So these two guys have come to drop me. Hi Mahindra. Yeah. So and so I'm taking 3 bags as of now. This one and this small pack. And this is my food bag. A quick update. We have almost reached Pune, and the views till Pune are insane. You won't believe me, I'll just show this to you. And so we are exiting from Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. We are getting a metro, which is pretty close by. But the streets over here are damn dirty over here. So we'll go near the metro station. We'll take metro till Kashmir Gate. This is exactly the metro station. The last time when I was here, oh my god, there was a lot of crowd, and we are taking physical tickets. We thought we'll take some tickets from online. Yeah. We are near Kashmir Gate, and we are heading towards our bus. We booked a bus from Flixbus. So there is a lounge, a waiting lounge, exactly near the metro station. So that person is taking us towards the bus. So you can directly come out from here, and we have waiting lounge beside itself. This is our bus. It costed us around $800 or something, online. Hey guys, good morning from Manali. So we are near this place, like TMA. Yeah, this is TMA Travel Master Adventure over here, and we have rented a bike, which is Hunter. So yeah, I guess the bikes are pretty amazing. You guys can come and rent over here, and it has good ratings also. We are heading towards Sarcho. I guess the first stop will be near Sarcho for the day, and we'll rest over there. So let's go. Huh? Yeah, we are headed towards Solang Valley. Our first break will be near Solang Valley. So let's go. Palchan, 2 kilometers. Yeah, we are near Solang Valley. So we are heading towards Atal Tunnel. Yes, we finally are at Atal Tunnel. What can we go? So yeah, this is the Atal Tunnel. This is the famous Atal Tunnel. Oh my god! The view from here!
So yeah, we have to maintain 40 kilometers in Atal Tunnel. We don't have to go fast. And this is one of the longest tunnels in the world. This is built to reduce around 48 kilometers distance from Manali to Leh highway. Yeah. Exiting the Atal Tunnel. Oh my god, this is just amazing. I have no words to say. Lovely, 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 lovely view.
And then quite after some time, we happened to see the most beautiful waterfall, the Sisu waterfall.
So yeah, we just filled in some fuel and I'm fully my helmet, everything. So yeah, we're heading towards next stop. Let's catch up there, guys. Okay, bye. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. So this is the last fuel stop here. And after this, there are no fuel stops.
Hey guys, a quick update. So far the ride is pretty amazing. So we are near Jispa. So there is one river going here, as you can see, and there is one majestic mountain. The camera cannot do any justice. It is looking so huge. Oh my god, it is just insane. And here there is a snow-capped mountain over there. Exactly, there is a snow-capped mountain, and I'll just check and I'll tell you what river this was. So you can see there are, I don't have words to explain, guys. It's just amazing. Yeah guys, here in Jispa there is a camp if you guys wish to stay. So this camp is known as Srimani River Camp. There is a river exactly beside this. There is a river, so you guys can come here. It is around 1500 per person here. They provide breakfast and dinner, which is complimentary, I guess. So yeah, the view over here is just amazing, guys. You guys can visit here for sure. So yeah, and as you see, this is exactly how the view looks. So exactly behind there is some river. So this is a pretty good stay.
So yeah, this is exactly Darsa. This is the longest bridge of Lahore, and I guess Spiti, I'm not sure. You just visited. It shows that you just visited bridge, Darsa bridge, longest bridge of Himachal Pradesh. Guys, there are two roads over here. One is this way. This is the newest road, I guess, which is constructed. This is around 200 kilometers, and this is the normal route which you take to Barlachla Pass. So as you can see through the board, Barlachla is 44 and Sikula top. This goes through Zanskar Valley. This is where you start your Zanskar Valley, and we are not going through Zanskar Valley, but we are going through Barlachla Pass. And yeah, found this one very amazing view over here, wherein the glacier is melting and it's just coming off. It's just magic, guys. Oh my god, it's so cold. And this feels so pure also. You can see it comes somewhere from the glacier, I don't know where, and it goes all the way down. And it goes all the way down. Somewhere deep inside. And we are near one famous stop, that is Deepak Tal Lake. So this is Deepak Tal. You can see how clear the water are. Oh my god. It's insanely cool, guys. It's freezing cool. But then there the water comes from that mountain, and I think it stays here and it flows downwards, all the way downwards. So yeah, it's freezing cool, guys. Yeah. And this is Deepak Tal, guys. And you can see I think we have to go to that top probably. It's gonna get cold. Yeah. So yeah, and we are done with Deepak Tal, and we are heading towards Varlas. Yeah, this is Deepak. And the view from here also is amazing, guys. Yeah, this is Zing Zing Bar, guys. So we are officially in Zing Zing Bar. Oh my god! Lovely, guys. Oh my god! The weather changed all of a sudden. The weather has changed all of a sudden. It's just amazing, the view. I'm not able to talk much also. I don't know how that. And yeah, finally we get to see some snow over here. I think it is fresh snow.
Not fresh snow.
No, this is not fresh snow. But
You are the corner. But give me
This
this. You take this. I'm riding.
this is very cool. He just slipped. My friend just slipped. Yeah, this is snow.
Oh.
But one very bad thing about this snow is that it slips a lot. Even if it is on the road or something, if you're going on your vehicle, be careful. There are chances that you might fall. So whenever there is black snow, this is all black snow, this is all frozen snow. So whenever there is black snow, just be a bit careful, guys. Yeah, you'll fall like this. You'll fall like this exactly. So go. And yeah, from there how to come back he'll show you. Yeah. From there he is coming. That's how you come. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Okay, chalo, we're getting late. And we should not be waiting in this altitude for a long time. We are here at Suraj Tal. You don't have to miss this. This is amazing. This looks so blue. Like, and from there all the off-roading patch we have a lot of off-roading patch, and the view, guys. Oh my god. I don't have words to say. Do not miss this place, and do not stay for long over here as well, because as we are increasing the altitude, you might feel a loss of breath. Yeah. Okay, this is it. Chalo, let's go. Interesting update, guys. You won't believe me. That's showed you. I don't think you. This landscape. Oh my God. Just hold on as a level. That is Baralachla Pass. So yeah, we finally are at Baralachla Pass. An altitude of 4,800